Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the DXY monthly, I still believe this is the end of an ABC correction right here. I still think that this is going to end up continuing to make lower lows, lower highs over the coming months, maybe even years, eventually going all the way down and taking out these low, most likely heading on to about the $70 area. So let's head down to the weekly time frame and switch back to the dollar index. On the dollar index, I still think this right here is a downtrend, most likely at 1. I'm now thinking that this is actually more of a complex correction, like an A, B, C, and then a D, and we're probably actually in a wave E right now, which most wave E's do take out the high of wave A. So I definitely wouldn't be surprised if this went up to about the 50 or even the 61.8 to finish out this wave 2 before it actually does end up continuing the downtrend for that wave 3. So let's take a look at that on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I do think that we're in an uptrend right now. It definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3. I don't see any reason to think this trend is over, so I am definitely still primarily looking for longs on shorter time frames. I still think that pretty much the minimum this is going to go is the 50% area to finish off what I think is a trend for a big wave E. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement just measuring the last wave up. I do think this move down is possibly just a correction to just the last wave. We did bounce out to 61.8, so we may already even have the end of a correction, and we may already be going up to continue the uptrend. Now, we do have non-farm payroll coming out today, and that is a pretty big news event for the dollar. Based on the longer time frames, I feel like the dollar needs to continue the uptrend. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, it looks like a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then I think we have an A, B, C down. We made 3 waves down, bounced off to 61.8, made an impulsive move up. Looks like we already ended a correction. If that is the end of a correction, then this will now continue the uptrend, probably eventually taking out these highs and probably making that big pattern like I was showing on the daily time frame and up, which is most likely a big wave E. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.